Tuesday, and maybe you've heard of white noise before, maybe even brown noise. What about pink noise? So if you've got really good ears, maybe you picked up that pink noise is a bit lower in pitch than white noise, sounds a little bit more like rain or maybe the ocean. Now some studies are limited, but there may be some benefits to pink noise specifically. Scientists at Northwestern University are studying just how pink noise can enhance the slow brain waves of deep sleep. And so far, they've shown potential improvements in memory and relaxation. And similarly to white noise, pink noise can also have benefits for people with ADHD by stimulating your brain. I've heard the same thing about brown noise too, but there are also studies on green noise, and they're looking at the overall benefits of different color noises on different aspects of your brain. Scientists say if they help calm you or drown distractions, go ahead and listen. I'm someone who enjoys those noises, Greg Fields. Kind of help me relax, kind of help me focus sometimes. If I listen to